Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Art. Today I will be showing you how you can shine up your coasters that are dull and have lost their shine. So let's start. This has been made around 2 years ago. So first of all, what I will be doing here is I will be sanding it with this sandpaper just to remove any impurities or any marks. Make sure to sand it completely. So this took me some time, and after sanding I washed it with the liquid soap, and now it's all been dried, and I have already mixed my resin. So now I am topping it with my resin. So what I do here is I pour a little amount of resin in the center, and with my heat gun I start to blow it around, so if it has any air bubbles they will pop. By the way, this is a magnetic technique that I have done on this coaster. I have a video, I think a few videos on this technique. If anyone is interested, I will link it in the description or above as well. So this is a very unique technique, and I think I will be sharing it again later sometime. As you move your coaster, that the ring you see in the center moves around. So this is really a fun, experimental and scientific sort of technique. Sometimes doing simple work with resin is always therapeutic, and I really like to enjoy my work instead of getting the stress that I need to create something always new. This is how it turned out. I took my time and I completed the top coat, and it's all dried up. And here you can see the glare of the rings. So I hope you like this fun little tutorial, and if you did, please do let me know in comments, and also please do like, subscribe and share. Take care. Bye bye.